what if the money in your bank account wasn't as safe as you think? History has shown that your money in the bank isn't always safe. Banks can suspend your withdrawals and deposits. Governments can manipulate the value of your cash by printing money at will. This can also control inflation. You're expected to establish a strong chain of trust. You must trust both banks and governments, but we know we shouldn't always trust them. Even in stable economies, the value of cash erodes slowly but surely, and traditional savings can't keep up with rising costs. Meanwhile, the world is changing faster than ever, and emerging technologies are opening doors to entirely new opportunities, ways to grow wealth, protect assets, and gain financial freedom. The question is, will your family be ready to take advantage of them? Or will you be left behind watching others seize what could have been yours? That's why every dad needs a Bitcoin backup plan. A plan that doesn't rely on governments, banks, or printed money, but on a limited, global, and secure asset built for uncertain times. Your kids don't just need savings, they need protection. And Bitcoin is that protection. Now, let's take a closer look at why Bitcoin could be the right choice for you, what kind of potential returns to expect, and what might happen if you don't take action. As a society, we're becoming increasingly immersed in technology. We shop online, make virtual friends, and even monitor our health online with health services. Every year, technological advancements emerge that are hard to predict. This will continue, and at an accelerating pace. This shift isn't just convenience. It's creating a new kind of asset class. Bitcoin and other crypto assets constitute the financial side of this change. Gold, stock market investments, and commodity investments have been with us since ancient times. However, Bitcoin is unique to the new digital era. It's designed to be scarce, easily transferable, and globally accessible. Just as early adopters of the internet saw opportunities that others missed, today's digital technologies are giving families a chance to secure their future in ways that weren't possible before. Fathers who see this opportunity can leave a truly valuable legacy to their children. You can preserve and pass on your legacy, increase your own value in the process, and prepare your family for the future. Bitcoin isn't a gimmick or a trend. If you ignore this now, you'll miss out on investing in a field where technology and finance intersect so strongly. For families, it's about seizing a strategic advantage while the world transitions to a fully digital economy. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are not only among the latest fruits of technology, but they also offer financial advantages. Each cryptocurrency offers unique features and may have different purposes. But for now, let's just focus on Bitcoin. The ease of transfer makes Bitcoin a global asset. It's more free and personalized than any other financial asset. You don't need to trust any intermediary institution. This is safer than buying and storing gold at home. Investing in Bitcoin now and keeping your private key safe will ensure your security, as your password will be unbreakable even generations from now. Bitcoin is currently the safest place to protect your inheritance. It can't be deleted, stolen, accessed, or altered. All you have to do is protect your password. We will go into more detail about this in the next videos. Please subscribe to not miss out. Now, let's talk about why you should include Bitcoin in your investment plan. You invest in Bitcoin because you believe it has value. Something has become valuable when it's useful and important. One reason Bitcoin is valuable is scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Anything unlimited can't hold its worth. Another reason is durability. Gold lasts for centuries. Strong companies keep generating profits. Government bonds are backed by the state. In the same way, Bitcoin's durability comes from blockchain technology, which makes it secure, reliable, and very hard to break. Another key part of Bitcoin's value is portability. How easily you can move, store, or use it. Moving gold, for example, is difficult. You need to ship it or use a broker, which adds costs and trust issues. Bitcoin works differently. You can send it straight to someone's wallet in seconds, paying only a small network fee. Another reason is usability. It means how practical an asset is in daily life. Cash can be used anytime, but gold cannot be spent at the store. Bitcoin is not yet used everywhere like cash, but more and more people see it as a currency of the future. Bitcoin has come a long way in this area. Millions of people now use it, governments are starting to hold it, and even ETFs have been approved. In fact, El Salvador made history by becoming the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, allowing people to use it for everyday purchases. The government also launched the Chivo Wallet app and even built Bitcoin ATMs across the country to make everyday use easier. Today, millions of investors own Bitcoin, which shows it has gained real global acceptance. These are the key qualities an asset needs to truly hold value. Without them, cash would just be paper, precious metals nothing more than shiny rocks, and cryptocurrencies just strings of numbers. By understanding what really gives something value, you can make smarter choices about your future investments. Bitcoin's advantage is that it not only has all these qualities of value, but also the strongest potential to become the money of the future. It's an extraordinary legacy you can leave for your family and your children's future. This legacy carries value, and it comes straight from the heart of technology. When you think of your investments as a safeguard for your loved ones, Bitcoin stands out as one of the best choices you can make. If you want to be the father who secures his children's future through smart Bitcoin investing, my book Legacy in the Ledger was written for you. You'll find it at the first link in the description below. It's also worth noting that you don't have to put your entire portfolio into Bitcoin. There are many types of investments, and crypto should be just one part of the mix. Figuring out the right amount can be tricky. We'll dive deeper into this on the channel. For now, what matters is understanding why Bitcoin has value and could be worth holding. The details can get technical, but a simple first step is to start setting aside a little Bitcoin for your family. Maybe a fraction of your paycheck, or even just the price of a coffee. As you dive deeper, your desire to invest will grow, your savings rate will increase, and your preparedness for the future will strengthen. Like this video and subscribe for not miss out next videos. See you next week in the next video.